This video covers Artifact 1, Standard 1.1, Criterion 2, Set Professional Learning Goals, and Standard 4.2, Criterion 13, Co-Learn with Students about a new digital tool. For Criteria 2, I needed to set professional learning goals and make a plan to meet those goals. The two goals I set for myself were, number 1, curate a collection of at least 6 interactive digital tools that can be used in my classroom to enhance learning. And goal number 2, integrate digital tools into lessons to boost student engagement, deepen learning experiences, and meet the needs of diverse learners. For goal number 1, I made steps towards meeting my goal by enrolling in ITEC courses that introduced me to a wide range of digital tools designed to enhance student learning. These courses provided me with practical knowledge on integrating technology effectively into my lesson plans. Building on the foundational knowledge I gained through my ITEC courses, I took the next step in ITEC 7430 by developing a systematic approach to evaluating digital tools. I created a digital evaluation instrument through Microsoft Forms with different criteria to assess tools before implementing them into my classroom. I decided to create a digital toolbox to efficiently organize the tools I learned about, allowing for quick reference and easy sharing with colleagues. To achieve this, I developed a digital tools module in Canvas where I categorize the tools based on their purpose, such as presentation tools, video tools, writing tools, and more. Each category includes links and a brief summary of the tools. I plan to continue expanding this toolbox by adding more digital tools in the future. For goal number 2, the steps I have taken to meet this goal include collaborating with my instructional coach and colleagues to explore ways to implement these tools into my 4th grade classroom. I attended monthly training sessions to explore new digital tools for the classroom, and by the end of each session, I had ideas and a clear plan for integrating these tools into my classroom to enhance student engagement. After collaborating with my colleagues and instructional coach on implementation strategies, I integrated Flip into my lessons. The platform engaged students by allowing them to create and share video responses, which boosted their confidence and communication skills. I will continue to seek professional learning opportunities and integrate new digital tools to enhance my teaching practices. By staying updated on the latest educational technologies and collaborating with colleagues, I aim to further engage students and support their learning needs. Standard 4.2 ITEC Criteria 13 involves co-learning with students about a new digital tool. One tool I was previously unfamiliar with was Lucidchart. I selected this mind mapping tool for its user-friendly interface and wide range of templates. Additionally, it supports real-time collaboration, allowing multiple students to work together and see updates instantly. For this lesson, students worked in groups to create a visual model that describes the roles of producers, consumers, and decomposers in an ecosystem. Co-learning with Lucidchart. My biggest challenge with Lucidchart was setting up accounts for my students. Since they are accustomed to accessing apps through Clever using single sign-on, this process was unfamiliar to them. Once the accounts were created, I had to figure out how to assign multiple students to a single board. To overcome this, I had one student share their file by inviting other group members, which granted them access to collaborate. Once all students were signed in, I projected my screen for students to view while looking at features of the program. I discovered a large template library and was able to show students how to design their diagram by using the templates to help inspire their work. I demonstrated how to use the toolbox to house the shapes, lines to connect items, and add text. Next, we viewed the properties bar to adjust the formatting and style of items in the diagram, styles of lines, font, and color shapes. While students played around with Lucidchart, they discovered that each group member was assigned a color to keep up with who was editing. Students also discovered a chat window for collaboration. I shared this with the class and let them know that any information in the chat box would not be saved. As students discovered more features, we shared them with the class. Challenges. Students found it challenging to learn the many features of Lucidchart and felt overwhelmed trying to navigate and remember how to use everything. Another challenge was students deleting other students' work, not realizing that it was a real-time document and it updated Additionally, managing time between learning the tool and completing assignments proves to be difficult for some students and myself. To address these difficulties, I implemented a step-by-step approach where students utilize online tutorials and engage in small experiments to gradually build their skills. For time management challenges, I broke down the assignment into manageable tasks and had students regularly save their practices were emphasized to avoid the data loss and maintain their work. Some successes were students were able to create visually appealing models, and students and myself learned to collaborate on a digital document and how to troubleshoot. I was particularly impressed by the creativity demonstrated by my students and their ability to collaborate effectively while using this digital tool.